All right, Charlotte's here signing her life away. Say hey to everybody, Charlotte.
Hey to everybody. May see you next year, don't know.
Hey, we're here at REI getting our last little stuff, so we're hoping.
It's never the last day you shop at REI.
No, it's never, never, never. You're right.
We love it.
We love you guys. Where's Michael? Here's Michael. He has helped us through the whole process.
Happy trails.
Thank you, Michael.
My pleasure.
We're here in Kennesaw, and Michael has just been a wealth of knowledge and a lot of fun, and we appreciate it, Michael.
We appreciate you. Thanks for coming in.
We'll be back.
Go, you want to go hug him before we leave one more time? We've been in here saying we're going to leave, and then we don't. All right, I got to get my hug.
Okay.
I don't know if I.
What do I do?
Ooh. I don't know. I don't know if we're on here or not, but I got to get my hug. Thank you, Michael.
You're very welcome. Happy trails.
Thank you.
Thank y'all.
Not too fast, Bev. You have to go slow.
Taylor cheese. You said cheese?
That's enough, Bev. We don't have. Okay. All righty. Hi.
Hi.
Old lady's hiking north. As you can see, we're not on the trail. We've had a few hiccups here and there. We're today spending time getting our last little food supply. We've decided that since we're getting such a late start, I've had some dental things come up. There's been some other things, and of course, you knew about our friend. By the way, our friend is doing fine. Just had to get some cholesterol medicine. By the way, we've got two visitors. We got Marlo and Bella.
Bella.
Yeah, Bella.
Little Bella.
But what we're doing is what we're gonna do is do some slack packing. We'll like that, won't we?
Oh yeah.
We'll love that. So we're gonna do some slack packing at first. We've got some good friends that are gonna help us out and let us do some slack packing. And it looks like I've got to get my permanent bridge in next week. So it looks like it'll be the following week. So we're going to be late, but we may go ahead and do a few slack packs before then. Next week if we can work it out. If not, then we'll just start slack packing the following week, and then we'll be on the trail. We're not giving up.
No.
We're trying to let not this bother us. We're disappointed, but yet at the same time, I guess we're not disappointed. It's really cold and rainy and all that on the trail. So anyway, I guess that's it.
That's it.
We wish. We just didn't want to get on the trail and me have to come off with my tooth, and well, there's a few other things, but we don't have to go into that. But we just didn't want to have to get back off the trail after we'd gotten on it. Like Underdog, he had a few problems with his teeth. Glad that Greg P is going to be able to get back on the trail. That's wonderful news. He should be out there today. Today's Saturday, so hopefully he's out there and doing well with his foot or ankle. So wish him the best, and of course wish everybody out there that's doing out there. You're doing a great job. PT's doing great. Of course, Scoutmaster's tearing it up, and Amanda Bath is doing good, and of course, Underdog's doing good, and I hope his tooth is better. So anyway, we'll see you later. Thanks for listening, and
Bye-bye.
talk to you later.
Happy trails.
Happy trails.
What?